In this video, we'll show how to delete PDF bookmarks and corresponding pages using the AutoBookmark plugin for Adobe Acrobat. To do this method, navigate and click on the menu button on the top left-hand side of the screen. Click on the Plugins button, then on the Bookmarks option. Then click on the Modify Bookmarks button and select the Delete Bookmarks and Corresponding Pages option. In this tab, you can select the desired bookmarks to delete. Note that the selected bookmarks, child bookmarks, and corresponding pages will also be deleted. Once bookmarks have been selected, press on the OK button to delete them. You can check the results in the Bookmarks panel, and as you can see, the selected bookmarks have been deleted. Visit Evermap.com to learn more about Evermap's PDF tools for Adobe Acrobat. Please subscribe to our channel and check out our other videos for more PDF automation tutorials. Thanks for watching.